just now getting ready to open up the envelope, and we wanted you to be included.
Do you want our guesses?
I really appreciate that.
Okay, are you ready? Are you sitting down?
I'm sitting down.
Oh, good.
Okay, here we go.
Do you want our guesses, Haley?
Okay, she's got the envelope.
Boise, Idaho, right here.
Boise,
Boise, Idaho.
She's got the envelope.
No, Italy.
Now we're taking bids on where it's going to be.
Where are you guys?
I don't know.
I say Canada.
Canada.
I say Canada.
That's where I think too.
Texas, Canada.
Texas,
I could
Canada.
see you in Texas.
Where else?
It's like, hey y'all.
Wisconsin or Louisiana?
Wisconsin.
I did say Alabama before.
Maybe Georgia, honey. Did
Georgia.
you have that?
Okay.
Good
Georgia.
one? You
Georgia.
have that.
Here we
Like,
go. Haley, open it.
Haley, just open it already.
Closer.
Okay. I can't even sit down. Look.
Madrid to Paris.
I said Rome.
Okay.
And then,
Oh, I say Rome too.
It's opening. I'm opening.
Smart.
Look at her.
Haley, you can do this. Breathe. Come on, breathe.
Don't pass out.
Please don't pass out.
Then we'd have to just leave her on the floor.
Like, if she's going here, tell her this when she wakes up.
I can't. I'm like, I
I'm a
can't.
bad mother.
Okay, other.
Wait, which way?
Thank you.
Read it out loud.
Read it out loud, Haley! Read it out loud!
She's got her hand over her mouth. And she's going to cry. Okay.
Dear Sister Christensen, you've been hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You're assigned to labor in the Argentina Posadas mission. As anticipated, you will serve for a period of 18 months. You should report to the Provo Missionary Training Center on Wednesday, July 17th, 2013. You are prepared to preach the gospel in the Spanish language. Your assignment may be modified according to the needs of the mission president. And then,
what part of Argentina?
Where in Argentina?
Argentina Posada.
Posada?
Posadas? Posada. I bet it's Posada.
Posada.
You're
That's where she's
serving
going.
where I serve, Haley.
Argentina.
Are you serious?